Hey, y'all. Welcome back to Pelion, South Carolina. It's 79 degrees Fahrenheit here, and I hear some noises coming from inside the coop. So let's give a look and see what the Twisted Setting Sisters are into. They're making some weird noises. So let's see what's going on. Hey, ladies. How's it going? You got anything to show us? No? You don't have anything to show us, guys? Can I take a look and see if we see anything? Today's Friday. The calendar says tomorrow is the day these things should be hatching. Where are the eggs? Has she got all the eggs? What are you doing? You got all the eggs? Get out. Come on, let me see. I think she does have all the eggs. And y'all, I heard a cheep. Ow, ow. She pecked me. Ow. Okay. Excuse me. Ow. Okay. I'm going to put the egg back. Let me put the egg back. Wait. There's already one hatched? Wait. I hear a cheep. Oh, y'all, I think there might be chicks in here. How do I see? Where are the chicks? Look, y'all. Look. We got an egg. Uh-oh. I wonder. We got a chicken in here, y'all? Do we have a chicken here? Huh? No? I could have swore I heard the cheeping of a chick, y'all. Okay. All right. Well, I'll take that out for right now. Why don't you give her some of those? Ow! Why don't you give her some of those eggs back? She ain't sitting on none. Ow! Oh, fine. I'll leave you alone. All right. I'll let y'all figure it out. Yeah, give her some of those eggs. I'm trying to help you out here. Come on. Here, there's one less egg now. There's supposed to be a few eggs. Let's see, 8 for each one of y'all. There's supposed to be 16 eggs. So here, there's 3. Give me a couple more. Oh, wait, what's that? Y'all, I think I felt a chick. Y'all, there's a chick over there. I hear it, and I think I felt it. Y'all, there's chicks under there. Let's see if we can zoom in. Woohoo! Ooh! Look at there, y'all. There's another piece of the egg. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, look, there's a chick. Look, there's a chick. I think there's more than one. Oh, they started hatching, y'all. Happy days. Look, there's another one. Oh, you're cute. Look, ow. Stop pecking me. Stop. Let me see. I want to look at him. He said, ow. Come on now. He's a cute little booger. I want to see him. Oh, everybody out there wants to see. Let me zoom in on him. Oh, he's so cute. That is so cool, y'all. All right. I will stop. I'll leave y'all alone. I'll come back and check again later and see if the rest of the chicks hatched. Oh, you can put your wing back in the box, lady. Okay. All right. Wow, y'all. We've got chicks hatching. All right, well, we'll come back and check on them again maybe later or definitely tomorrow. Y'all check back in later and tune in and let's see how many hatched. All right, y'all. Well, if you made it this far, I sure do appreciate it. Let us know down below. And guys, if you made it this far, you already know it. I appreciate it. God bless you. And y'all come back now. You hear?